Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to edit a virtual presenter or an automatic voiceover speech after you've created your video. Let's begin. For this tutorial, we'll use this PowerPoint as an example, but you can also use a PDF presentation generated from any software. To create a presenter video and create a virtual presenter, you can follow the tutorials available on our website. Sometimes, once your video has been rendered, you may need to modify the speech because of a pronunciation error, or to correct a sentence generated by presenterGPT. Let's have a look at the options to modify the virtual presenter or voiceover. First, you can change the avatar you want to use by clicking on the button with the picture of the avatar and selecting it from the list. You can also choose a different voice and language for your avatar. Use the search field to look for a suitable voice. You can add a delay before the display of the avatar for each scene by modifying the start time. Finally, you can edit the text for your speech as much as you want by clicking the text section. Once all of your modifications are done, click the Generate New Virtual Presenter button. The avatar will be regenerated. This usually takes a few minutes, so you can wait or do modification on other scenes. You can check whether your avatar has been updated by clicking on the play button in the control bar, or by watching the preview project by clicking on the View Full Video Preview button.
Welcome everyone to Consulting Company Summer Academy 2022.
Now, to update the actual video, you need to click on Update Final Video button that will appear at the top of the screen. This will restart the rendering process. If you are using the automatic speech feature without an avatar for your presentation, you can also edit the speech. Click on the Update button once you are finished with this scene. Just like with the avatar, you can change the language and the voice you want to use. Click on the Update Final Video button to update the actual video. Thank you for following this tutorial. We hope you enjoyed it. Go to www.automate.video to sign up and start creating your videos.